Hi, hello and welcome to the Tech Lab YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install two computers in one speaker setup. Okay, so in both PC can play in one speaker. Let's see how to configure. So I'm gonna open the Google, and first I'm going to download the share speaker software. Okay, and the first link I'm gonna open and download the software. Let me click here, close this, and the setup is downloaded, and the software link description I'm going to put on my channel, so you can download easily. Now I'm going to the downloads, and this is the share speaker setup. I'm gonna right click and run as an administrator and click yes, click OK and click next and accept the agreement and next and install. Already done the installation and allow access. And once the software is open, I have two computers. Okay, I will show you right now. Now I'm gonna call the second computer through the remote desktop. Okay, this is my second computer. This both computer in same network, and now I'm going to play the local computer which is the same network. Okay, I'm going to add the song. For the testing purpose, I have one song I'm gonna play right now. Now you see the song is successfully playing. Let me close this song. Okay, and the local computer, it's playing. I'm gonna close this and close this player again, and I'm going to open the remote computer. Okay, and the same software, and in this computer there is no speaker connected. Through the network I'm going to play. Okay, let me show you how to do it, and I'm going to click the add and add local audio files. The same music in the system I copied, and you can see now the song is playing. Now the second computer also, through the network, the song is playing. Okay, so these are the way how to configure the network speaker connected system